some status to key down bit field.
Yeah, because this is the state of all the keys.
In one event.
Yeah, it's when that event happened. What was the state of the full keyboard in terms of what was down when that happened?
If there's two events, we will just like completely drop the.
Yeah. Because this is like useful for basically like, oh, you have to pick some point at which to judge what key is held down, right?
Second.
You have to judge some point in time. Well, you could do this differently, but this is just a convenient thing.
Sure, but won't it skip inputs? Oh, no, it sends the whole.
Yeah, so here, if you have anything that's like, oh, when this thing is pressed, you loop through, put them in here. If you have anything that happens per frame, if a certain key is held down for that frame, you can do that here.
Oh.
Just implement this, you'll see what it's doing.
It's just getting like the latest state of the keyboard.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So if we down bit field space is this, I'll get the byte index. And with a bit thing. Mm-hmm. Status. Mm-hmm. Not now. Status. Hey, inte status. Status Clavium. Ah. Event. Oh, oops. Should be underscore. Crash. Give 26. I made it wide.
Once?
Hmm.
Just once.
Yeah.
Okay.
With the space bar. I think this crashed for me because
Which one?
event is sometimes null. So you just don't assign key down bit field up there because you do it in loop.
Oh, true. True. Good catch.
Right.
Oh, actually, actually, you want to put this outside the loop. Put this outside.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So I need key codes.
Yeah. I mean, print them. Well, I can have you cheat, but that's not going to be a general user experience.
Yeah. I mean, I feel like it should be. I mean, first of all, it should be content, like scan code.
Well, I need to define these in my head or something.
Yeah, and it could be in the documentation as well, I guess.
Yeah. Maybe.
Why not?
Well, it's just going to be a huge amount of keys. Like,
Yeah, I mean, you can just have a list somewhere.
we'll do this. We'll do this. Because people want to use arrow keys. Okay.
Space. The key num space.
What?
With this.
These are not defined in your space.
Okay, I see.
But here E13. But does this make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like a wide bit field.
Yeah. It's a 26 byte bit field. Which I guess now. Yeah. I'm thinking on the new compiler, this struct is gonna pack a lot better. Because this is 28 bytes with 1 byte alignment.
Mm-hmm.
Before it would have been 8 bytes, 8 bytes.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then this one, something. Oh, what's happening?
Is that only true when it becomes down? It goes from up to down?
No, it should be true the whole time. Are you printing stuff?
No.
Well,
No, like it doesn't move at all when I hold.
can I see the code? Oh no, it's moving. It's moving. I can see.
Yeah, when I do this.
Yeah.
But when I hold it doesn't.
Curious. Did you move this guy to outside the loop like I said?
You mean the
you do
main loop?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, right. But wait, then I don't understand.
Because what's going to happen is you're
Ah,
going to
right, it's
receive no
0.
events,
Right,
and you
right,
need
right,
it
right,
to
right, right,
stay
right, right.
the same.
That makes sense. It's moving.
Bro, he's gaming.
Bro, look at this FPS. I want to print the FPS.
Yeah, you should be able to do that now. That was like not conceivable before.
Yeah. Get macros.
Get micros. You can put that. Well, the FPS is just gonna be 60, but sure. I guess you could do the frame time. Yeah, frame time.
Yeah. That's...
Um.
But you don't have floats.
No, it's an int.
Yeah, I guess. Alright, so it's in micros.
Yes. Passage of time. Oh, bro, but you don't want to do this. Is the VSync is on, so it's gonna ruin your measurement. Or it depends if you want to measure the time until you present, or if you want to measure.
I guess I'll just measure the.
So the V blank happens in noob start frame. Noob start frame will block until there's a frame available. You could do what I normally would do is you could do measure the time after noob start frame.
Yeah.
And then you can just defer printing the
What's the defer keyword?
prolata.
Macron?
Yeah, on all those. Prolata.
Oh.
Oh, and then there's a hash in the beginning.
Under 1 ms.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't want to convert it to a string. Yes, I could.
Well, you want to convert it to a string? Or you want to put it on screen?
Yeah, I wanted to, but now I don't feel like doing it.
Well, you could set the score to be the time in microseconds.
Yeah, I guess. +1. ranked.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be up by 1, but that's okay.
Yeah. Pretty nice. Yeah, I guess I was. Now I want to know how to make a function.
Oh, first time. Oh, dude, this font, it might be a big L. The line is not in the middle.
Great.
I might have to just go in and manually edit that. Mm,
Are parameters mutable?
yes, because we are based. Are they in Jai? They might not be in Jai.
No, that's like a thing.
What do you mean?
It's very intentional that they're not mutable.
Why? Because John doesn't like it.
Yeah. I don't remember the reasoning.
You think because it's like passed by reference by default?
Maybe. I don't remember.
You're gonna want malloc in a second, right?
Do I?
Are you gonna return the string from the function?
I'm a C programmer.
Oh, you're just gonna pass the buffer? Yeah. Right, no malloc then. He's a C programmer. Allocating his own strings. Are you gonna write a memory allocator now?
Why in Brevis?
Pong 2. Although this is written in your own programming language, is there a working C compiler? Just curious.
All of this is written. Oh, you mean on Serenum? No. It's base Brevis only. Only base languages allowed.
Based Brevis. Yeah, that'd be funny if we did Odin. Can like Brendan, if Brendan listens to this, Brendan, can you do an Odin output? But I'm not actually for that. It would just be funny if we had Odin and not C.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't. There's no C compiler on Brevis. You can run elf binaries, statically linked freestanding elf binaries on Serenum, those are very annoying to produce. But if you have a RISC-V cross-compiled tool chain, it is possible. In fact, Andrew kind of tested that. Also, Andrew, the alignment should. Let me double check for you that the alignment is as you expect it to be. You know, for your Zig stuff we're doing. What's a good alignment test? You know, we'll just edit basic thingy. Yeah. We have some types A and 64B, 32D, no C, N64. Well, we'll do slice of N64. B. We'll do, well, A and A2, B, B2, C, D, E.
Oh. Is this... Oh, wait, this is pointer to array. Right.
What is?
Because your syntax makes sense. I forgot about that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, so yeah, you actually just want a buffer. Why?
no,
No, you
then-
don't
then
want
this-
pointer. Why would you want pointer to the thing? You can just return the slice.
Sure, yeah.
You pass in a slice, you get back a slice.
Sure. That's not very C.
Yeah, it's good. Not C.
Yes.
Okay, Andrew, we're doing it. We have A2, B, B2, C, D, E. Then we will cheekily Okay, does this match what we expect, Andrew, in terms of alignment, for it being just like C? Could you confirm this, please? So we have first one, we get this guy at 0, this guy at 1, this guy. No, this is garbage. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We need to.
I have compiler bug.
Which compiler bug?
It's saying there's no such thing as S.
No, I think it's complaining of the fact that you wrote return.
Is that return?
Yes. You got jinxed again. You got pranked.
Okay.
Yeah, you go look at the code.
Bro.
This doesn't look correct. As I printed it wrong. No, this is wrong. But I think this is an old compiler. Hold on. So I think I fixed this alignment button on Serenum. There we go. So there we go. So we have 1, 0, 1, 8, 16, 24. This next guy will be at oh, we should insert a byte into the test. Yeah, so look at this. So we get this guy is at 18. This guy is 4 bytes further on. This guy will skip 3 bytes and be at 32. What is offset after C2? Why is offset after C2? It's 4 bytes. You mean here? I mean, it looks correct now to me. Maybe we're referring to the old one. Yeah, so this would have looked like 2, but it's actually more. Okay, this makes sense though, right? Here we get an extra byte. Then this guy's 16, so we go bam, bam. And we're in business. One thing that currently does not work though is, which we could fix while Charlie is programming, we'll do dual programming.
Let's see.
So I'm gonna define a procedure. Okay, first let's go look at okay, so we conclude, Andrew. Yeah, okay, great. We concluded this works. That's good. Undo that. Oh, dude, I'm gonna have to like sync this up a bit because yeah. Note to future me to not accidentally overwrite this change later. Okay, but look, so in the preamble, we have this structure that actually has no mention of alignment. So, okay, we actually won't do this now. But the point is, this guy, I'm going to make a note to myself. I'm going to commit to fixing this before the release. So, we need to add an alignment member on here. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Why when we draw the string at 800, why is it in the top left corner?
Because you're wrapping the buffer. I believe. Yeah. Oh well. Okay. Wait. Where are you putting it?
No, this is the same we drew.
No, that's
drew
the
before.
stride.
It's a stride.
To modify where the text goes, you need to change frame.pixels or the thing that's going in. So if you do frame.pixels plus 400 times 4, you'll get it halfway
But
across
it's
the
a
screen.
pointer.
Yeah.
Come up.
How's it going?
Good, I think.
I guess I'm gonna go with the pig in the thing, the food that we're gonna eat. Ahead of the accountability meet, because accountability will be in 1.5 hours. You have about an hour to make breakout.
I can do it.
Come get me if you get stuck on anything.
Do like a random, or do I need to do a random thing? Guess I just hash the micros or something. How do I open ChatGPT on Serenum? Here, XOR in Brevis. There is no thing. Right, this is not Z. And 64. Time dependent random, yeah. I feel like I have much of a choice. I mean, usually you do like you use the when you do like a chaos seed in games, you just use the current cycle count or something. And I'm using it to make like a few different colors. Fine. Maybe. Box colors. Oh. Oh, you mean it might be slow? Uh, you think it's um 'cause I'm doing this like I guess I'm doing it for every yeah, I guess we'll see. Um, each parameter. Oh. Oh. And we're compiling. Yeah, I mean, looks random. Uh, except it's like, yeah. It is definitely time-based. I mean, it's a little bit random. Uh, why are they all drawing on the left? So it's not a syscall, yeah. You can see a major slowdown, so. Um, white times block height, X times block width, and block width. It's fine. Let's make print. Um, 0, 0, 0, 0. What? I am confused. Is X just not? Is box column secret? No, but then. Hmm. Am I misunderstanding something? Oh, whoops. I am stupid. Is the problem. The solution is to not be stupid. Ooh, Colonel has hung. Oh no. Jag tappade Colonelen.
Ja, du fick ju memory i början.
Apparently it's a Serenum thing. Uh, is the stream good? I think. You can see the Serenum. No. Oh, now I gotta redo the stuff. Space 2. It has something in it. Ooh. It's the editor. And we're back to compiling. Kernel is not crashing. Pretty good. There we go. Oh, that's a good breakout game. I'm not wrong. Text. Is it taking 13 ms now? Oh. File. There we go. Where did my text go? Supposed to draw this. Person, okay. The text is back. it should be fine with 0. Hmm. So you're not speaking to Sam at the moment. Sam is preparing food. So he will be back soon, I think. There we go. Okay. I wonder if you should be able to draw those rectangles below 13 ms, I think. It might be this is cause. So if we draw just like one flat color, maybe. Interesting. Oh, that's fine. Do a seed. So I have to progress the seed somehow. What if I just set the seed to whatever the result was? And we just do a constant seed. Hmm. Right. Oh, that's a pointer. Is that not how you take the address? How do I take the address? Do we have any brevis experts? Uh, the food thing. Good luck with the food thing. Yeah, address. Address.
By the way, are you keeping the plebs on the stream entertained?
Sure. I'm acknowledging their
presence. Okay.
Yeah.
What are you trying to do?
I guess you're gonna tell me I have to return.
Oh wait, so you've appointed to a seed. What do you want to do?
I guess you have multiple return values. So return
Well, what
speed,
are you trying to do?
random, and then update the seed. So it's progressive random.
Okay, but if you just want to modify the seed, you can do that, right? I don't see what is not working.
No. I'm passing a seed and I expect the seed to be different.
Yeah.
After the random call.
But yeah, that's fine. You can do that.
Then I need to pass
a pointer to the seed.
Yeah.
Which means you need to stack allocate it.
Oh, bro.
Or you just make it global.
Say again?
You just make it global.
Make it what?
A global.
Global. Why can't I just pass the address? Oh, because you don't want to do that.
No, because it doesn't have an address.
Yeah. Because you don't want to put it on the stack or something.
Yeah, we don't do like automatic. Well, we don't. So in C,
Yeah, it's
C
like
started with all variables are always on the stack.
Right.
And
right.
this register thing is like an accident.
Yeah, yeah. You want me to explicitly put it on the stack.
Yeah. Because then you know like memory shit. Exactly.
That's fine.
Yeah, and that's the campo alloc. You can do if you want to alloc only one, you do campo alloca 1. The final A is long. Yeah, and then you do N64 like angle brackets N64, right? With a comma. Yeah, nice. And then you do open paren 1, comma, close paren dot I.
Because it allocates a slice.
Yeah, and then you just say like, oh, I just want the pointer to the thing. Oh, look at that! He's breaking out, guys.
Is this a bit high to frame time?
You could try building a release.
Right.
If you add -R here, it has to be here. Yeah. It could be as well that you're printing a lot of things.
Oh, right, true.
But see that? No, yeah, it's probably the printing. Also, so yeah, you actually want the not be released most of the time because you'll catch bugs from your balance checking and stuff, and you get stacked.
I wouldn't call it random. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Oh, guess starting at the seed is pretty dumb. Oops. Well, I need to use the seed somehow. What if we just... Yeah, that doesn't make sense. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oops. Uh, Still not see. Okay, do we have random? Ah, we have random. Okay, cool. I wonder how big the difference is to do debug. Oh. Not very big. Hmm. Anyways, we have blocks. Now we need a ball. And we need flags for whether or not the blocks are destroyed, I guess. Oh. Yeah, we don't have floats, so I'm not gonna write a fixed point float. I guess we're only gonna have eight directions. um, yeah, and it's gonna have to just move faster on the diagonal than when it goes straight. Let's do black. Look at that. We have a ball. Point crashed out of bounds. That's alright. Um, I do some very advanced collision resolution. Right. Do we have a working ball? If we write previous code, then maybe. Uh, 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 yeah, that's a ball. Oh yeah, I guess yes, it will be. It won't be frame rate dependent because it's VSync as long as we're under 16 ms. So here we go. Oh, dude, I think you just hit the corner. All right, let's do some more advanced collision resolution. With the pedal and stuff. So I guess more. There's gonna be a lot of if statements. Let's simplify. Okay. Ooh, it's 65. I think the pedal is centered. Yeah, on the X at least, and the height is 20. pedal W. Yeah. I mean, we could just make this super simple, so we don't actually do it like a rectangle. It's just. Oh yeah, yeah. Dude, we can make this super simple. If the ball is within like the width of the paddle. Um, yeah, I mean, I guess if it collides. Mm. More than left, right. Ball right, it's more left, ball left, right, bottom, top. Uh, it's gonna be pretty bad. I'm short on time. I wonder if this will do what I think it will do. There's nothing with name, right? It's a constant. 500. Didn't know ifs. There's a ball. Oh no. Wait, I broke that snow. Hmm. I guess this is wrong. Pedal right. Alright. I'll make it faster.
How's it going? Extreme hasn't crashed?
I don't think so.
Dude, he's gaming.
Whoa! That's a fastball.
This guy's gaming. 60 FPS.
Dude! Oh.
1,7 ms.
Ja, ganska crazy.
Det är crazy.
Oops.
Needed to do the food thing.
Yep.
Have you been talking while you've been doing this?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit. And have you...
Right is...
You haven't really needed to do anything. Or like you haven't needed any more knowledge.
No.
That's good.
Yeah.
Gaming. I wonder if you could do this. Is a funny concept. You did like an online access Serenum. So you have a Serenum running somewhere with like a capture card and a virtual keyboard plugged in. And then you make a website that's like communalserenum.com. So like anybody can connect to the website and see what's on screen and generate keyboard inputs to the device.
Well, it's just like your remote connected to a shared computer.
Yeah, but it's just there's one graphical type.
Mm-hmm. Wait, that was something.
Are you having fun now?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. I guess the compile time is still good.
Oh yeah. It's a big, like a massive improvement.
Good.
That's like the main, like last time I tried, it was the main reason. I just didn't wanna keep trying.
Yeah. Oh, so now you're like, I want to keep working on the game.
Yeah.
This is good.
Noll. Mhm. Hmm. Hmm. Well,
Amazon seller says he's sending me the boards on Monday.
hmm.
I might actually. I'm gonna disable the view on my screen. Oh, it crashed.
Hardware exception.
Yeah, but you got a page fault.
No.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that just so I can like work on circuit board while you're still going.
Man.
You need a debugger, right?
Yeah. Or I need to. It would be nice if I could print and watch the thing at the same time.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Dude, why am I doing captures? So offensive. Grr. Dude, like you failed the capture, bro. Like I'm pretty sure captures don't matter because you can just outsource. You can just outsource to India, like completing the capture. Your ball is stuck in the corner.
Yeah. My ball is colliding with the pedal.
Now?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. That makes sense.
Wait. Oh. Was another retard moment.
What's that pedal? That's your debug. What?
Yeah.
This would be a better game than Pong actually because, well, like the gameplay is a little bit higher level.
Yeah. I also have a reason for you to have floats.
Yeah, what's that?
So you can have more than 8 directions.
What do you mean?
I guess for a really classic breakout game, this is good.
Wait, but look, you just give yourself like you just do a fixed point thing.
No, I don't.
Oh, whatever. Yeah. This should be floating.
Yeah.
Look, I mean, maybe you can contact Spencer and ask to borrow some of his technology.
But did you? Yeah.
He has floats. He has
Yeah,
working
yeah, yeah.
floats,
Yeah.
and he like renders triangles
Yeah.
with the fake floats.
Alright.
Not even inline assembly, inline machine code.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you should see. It's like he'll have like a function, and then in there it's just like manually. It's just the hex values for the 32-bit hex values for the various instructions.
Wild. Spooderman. What text editor are you using?
Where? Oh,
Is this? I think it's like Electron or something.
Electron? No, dude. This is the legacy text editor on this operating system that I wrote in like 2 or 3 weeks. And it mostly hasn't changed, except I like retrofitted the graphics front end so that to make it lower resolution. And I did that I did that this week, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, yeah, I think I did it this week. That it won't be valid. You can't do 10 times 10.
Well, I just can't do.
We don't have expression evaluation as a part of type parsing, which a bunch of people complain about, and so I guess I have to figure that. I have to do that technology.
Yeah.
Right now, any parsing of a type, like parse type, has zero context of anything else in the universe, so it has to like do it from scratch.
Mm-hmm.
That has a nice property of every type will look exactly the same everywhere. But it turns out people want to do wacky things.
Yeah. I mean, you don't even have constants.
I do.
You added constants?
Well, no, it's still the like really shitty constant.
It's just like a variable you can't change, or
No, it's a thing that will pass as a string, as a literal, like as an int literal. That's all.
Hmm.
Do you
Yeah,
have
I mean,
named literals?
so how do you do those?
Absoluta.
Oh.
Absoluta, then the name, then equal sign, then the value, then semicolon. At global scope. And watch a YouTube video on how to do electronics. So I can design something and then order it from China. TPS 259621 DDAR. Okay. Grounding next to ground. Smart. I hadn't thought about that.
Oh.
You cooking?
It does collide. They just need to die now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Is it always supposed to reverse direction?
We'll see.
We'll see.
What's continue? Continue.
Proceed. That's P hash PR long O C long E short E. Oh, DE. Yeah, semicolon.
Okay.
Semicolon.
Cool.
Oh, and you need to do a braces around it. We don't support the Jai thing.
Chai thing? You mean like every programming language, everything?
Yeah, no, we don't support that thing.
Fair enough.
Look how much better your code is now. Dude, did you do a constant array? That's crazy. Or you did a by value array.
Yeah.
Wild.
Why is that wild?
I mean, that's great that it works. I'm saying that there is will be like the biggest performance problem with your program.
Cool.
Because every time it accesses, every time you're doing like a read or a write, it will write the entire thing to stack memory. Well, first probably because it won't be in memory. It'll read the thing into registers from the stack. It will run out of registers. It will start spilling back to the stack. Okay. Well. Anyway, it's gonna read these values in, then write them out again like this. And then it will like do the modification and then read it back in. It's just like a turbo retarded operation.
Yeah.
But it's kind of, I don't know, kind of hard to make that fast. The Cliff, you know what Cliff Click suggested? I asked him genuinely about this. He was like, "Oh yeah, what I would do is I would generate an if, like a branch."
Mm-hmm.
He's saying basically, oh, when you do a constant size array lookup, what he would generate is he would branch on the value into all the things.
Wow. Okay.
And then do basically a different modifier based on each one. Which, to be fair, that is actually that is better than what I do. And maybe what I should do in the future.
Oh, can I not do like the not?
Yeah, you can. You just put 0. Okay, erase the thing. No, here. No, not like that. Go back here. Put 0 space not equals. That's exactly what you wanted, right?
Yeah. All right. True. That's cringe.
Yeah, you had one on the row above.
Oh.
Yeah, you're
That's
right.
a really
True.
cringe abstraction.
Oh yeah. I mean, what do you mean true? Which one of the true values do you mean?
I mean, it's like non-zero. Right?
Well, yeah, but which non-zero value?
Any? Okay, it's a major slowdown.
To do what?
Probably the static array.
Yeah. Like what you want to do is you
just allocate.
Yeah, you just allocate it, and then it's like, oh, now it's good. Other languages would abstract that for you and like take that constant by value array and like turn it into it's actually secretly thing in memory. We don't do that. We do the retarded thing and make you change it.
Do you zero initialize?
Zero initialize what?
Well, this big array in this case.
Yes, it's being zero initialized, but it's because it's by value. Well, wait, yeah. What you can do is you could stack allocate just the array. So like you declare the type, the thing you have right now, but just name it like the thing underscore null, because that would default to 0. Then you stack allocate, so you have a pointer to this giant array. So you can appoint a to big array. It doesn't necessarily have to be a slice.
Yeah.
And then you can do, when you just initialize it, you just say thingy dereferenced is equal to the null version of the array. Just that one thing.
No, I saw that.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter.
Rip. Oh.
What? Are you like infinite looping? No?
I'm not sure.
Sure, you'll figure it out. You're still gaming on YouTube? I think we're still gaming. Can I change the bitrate live? That would be crazy. Oh, hold on. I got pinged. Stream. Okay. Oh, I see. I see. Hold on then. Good thing you pointed that out. Okay, wait. And now you're gonna have an experience now. Yo.
There's actually someone watching.
Yeah. I know.
Crazy.
We're all so surprised. Now Lucas is watching. There you go. Thank you for letting me know.
I think have you tested the large arrays like this with the new compiler?
How large are we talking? What do you mean?
100 1 byte inputs.
What are you worried about? Like compile bug?
It seems like when I try to write. Do you think it's slow or something? Like it's waiting?
No, I don't know. Maybe they could be compatible. I don't know. I suspect not actually, but
I'll try.
well, what you could try to disable the thing that you think is causing a bug.
Yeah, it's the line where I write to this. If I comment this out, it's gonna be fine.
Are you in release or
debug?
Debug.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, and what thing are you writing?
This.
Can you turn it back on? But then, can you do a print before and after?
And will it format?
Yes, but that thing is too long, so it's not going to print everything.
Mm-hmm.
But don't print the value. Just print to make sure you're not blocking. Like, you know, before and after. Because if it is blocking, that's kind of bad.
Oh. Yeah, then there's something going on.
I saw something before you did. Kind of crazy how that works. The like when there's no comma, it like my brain I like see it immediately.
Yeah. I guess when you just feel this like feedback, the pain.
What do you mean?
Multiple times, it looks like ooh, it's stopping after the second one.
Yeah, what you have to enter because you're not rendering.
Oh right.
Wrong with
Haha.
Okay, going back in again. No, so you are frozen. You're not frozen there.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Is this in a function that you're returning from?
No. I'm gonna try. If I make this a pointer, will I be able to index it like this?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's supposed to be exactly the same. The only difference is now you have to add a dereference. So if you do that and then you do equal to and you do the whole camper locker thing, and then as the type you do array of 100 and it's.
I think you should like maybe not allow this.
What do you mean?
It makes sense.
You forgot
since you're doing this explicit stack allocation thing, it makes sense that you just don't allow stack allocating or We want to register allocate. Oh, allocating the. I probably destroyed someone's ears. Oh, sorry about that.
Or you mean not having a constant size of by value array on the list? Like having a local. So the thing is, it's not a performance trip mine as long as the index lookup is constant. As long as you index by like subscript 0, subscript 5.
I feel like I should be made aware that something bad is happening by the compiler.
No. I think, but because part of the reason is like, okay, so this is giga slow, but it's also very noob friendly. As long as there's not a mystery bug here. But presuming I think you should be able to do this based on like you can teach a noob who can like program with arrays, but in an entirely functional programming manner, where they don't have to think about memory. Right?
Say that again.
So I think it's good for teaching basically newbies to programming. If they don't know about memory at all, it's a great segue in. Because then you can have them program something that does something kind of complicated without mentioning structs or memory, by just saying like, hey, you can have an array of things. Cannot mutate member of type. Oh yeah, that error. The report, it looks bad. What it's complaining about, this entire left expression, it should highlight everything, because everything the side of that equal sign is the type of a pointer.
Oh.
Now the fact that it says cannot mutate member of is a bit goofy. That's probably a bad error. You keep doing that.
Yeah.
Hey, it wasn't the arrays.
Yeah. Yep.
When you figure out in what way you were retarded.
Yeah.
It's like.
Is there an open Visual Studio command?
No.
Open Visual Studio.
Open debugger. You want to see this kind of debug of like, oh, I seem to have locked myself in a loop somewhere. Is should be like kind of big. Well, you need kind of source line info. But look, I think it's your XY loop thing that, well, I think it's your continue somewhere. Because you aren't deferring the incrementers. If you want to defer those, yeah, if you defer them, they're going to, they'll run on the continue as well.
Oh yeah, I would assume. But what's the keyword?
Raw data, you already used it.
Oh, yeah, I know, but it's like too many.
Yeah.
Last one.
Yeah, no, on this one, it's a big game. This actually teaches you a little bit about grammar, because this procede in the ER so basically
Hey, what was that?
You deleted the file.
What? Sauce. Control C.
It's a funny because
that looks kind of cool. It's like reverse breakout.
Reverse breakout.
Oh wait, no, it's definitely not reverse. It's something else.
Well, I think your
Oh
lookup for the
no,
color is
no,
pretty.
yeah, yeah. It's since I'm doing the random seed, but then the count changes.
I mean, this is breaking out.
It is breaking out.
It's pretty break out.
But I can't tell. Are they move? No, they just
No.
changing
But
color.
the index you're looking up into the color array is goofed.
Yeah, no, there's no color array.
Okay.
It's way dumber.
Are you like generating them?
It's just a random seed.
Yeah. But so whatever, you're skipping tiles, and so
Yeah. I could just
you can move
generate the random anyways.
well, yeah, but you can if you move the random generation so it runs on every iteration. Look, you just move the continue to after you generate the color.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Dude, the bug. I know it's so bad, right?
Yeah.
It's like you're like typing on a piece of garbage. It's like programming on a banana.
A banana.
Yeah, that's like how good the editor is.
Mm.
It's a banana.
I'm a JavaScript programmer right now.
Hmm?
I'm a JavaScript programmer. I can't find the closing brace. What? I really wish I had undo now. This good. What? Okay. It's breakout.
He's breaking out. Guys, he's breaking out.
Dude, I can make like an actual game.
Yeah.
This is in 1.5 ms in debug.
Yeah. Although,
I guess release won't make a big difference, but
yeah, you're advantaged by the fact that there isn't a huge. You're advantaged by the fact that the most of the drawing is like a hand optimized assembly loop. Right?
mm-hmm.
But where did I get the other resistor?
Do you have a like a mem set?
No. What do you want to mem set?
The dead flags.
Yeah. Okay. Here's the trick. Where do you declare this? Oh, where do you want to mem set it? You want to set it to like 0.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you do is you
Wait, this one.
so you declare a new array. Okay, so on the row before, okay, you create a new variable. You declare a new variable that's the type of 100 N8s without the pointer. Okay, this has default value 0 for everything. You call this thing null. Now you assign null into that. Your percent equals null. There you go.
Pretty base.
That's relatively fast.
It's relatively fast. Okay.
Well, because a real memset would just take the memory and know that it can go everything. This will generate like a bunch of write byte, write byte, write byte, write byte, write byte, write byte. And it's also probably going to generate adds to each of those addresses.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's uncertain. No, I think it would. Well, anyway, it's basically not going to be the fastest way to write that memory, so it's like not great, but it's pretty good. You know, debug build is still 1.4 ms, so it doesn't matter.
Right.
Dude, he's gaming. I just need to add sound now. We'll be in business.
Add what?
Sound.
Sound. Oh yeah.
Okay, resistance. And I need a 6.8. We're gonna have to break in a moment simply because our presence is required elsewhere. Integrand through 400. LM boot. $400 ohm. Scan.
It's a game.
You gaming?
Yep.
Pretty good.
It's a game loop. When you
Steam
die,
released when?
Huh?
Steam release when?
Mm.
That's good. That means you actually made it in time.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's very cheaper.
yeah. Like it's 1 minute after accountability is supposed to start.
Oh shit. Sick.
All right, everybody. Thank you guys for watching the stream. Do you want to do another one of these at some point?
Sure, yeah.
You had fun. You did programming.
Yeah, I mean, I just sat here and did programming, so yeah.
Right, that's good.